Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tenzita Johnson, and today I'm back with this hairstyle, an updo on myself. So let me show you how I did it. It's very easy and quick to do. I just used some oil because I'm going to use elastics, and when the hair is soft and sleek, then it's easier later to remove the elastics. So for this style you want to grab not too big portions from the side of your hair. Make sure that they go over the hair from the middle, and then bring them together, those two portions, and tie them together with a little elastic so that you make like a half up style little ponytail. Then flip it from up down and just pull a bit the edges. Grab another strand from the right hand side, bring it over to the left and combine it with a slightly smaller portion of hair from the left hand side. And these two portions you tie together again with another elastic and flip it over and down. Now take another portion from the left, bring it to the right hand side and fix it with another strand, not as big as the one from the left hand side, on the right hand side. There's where you do the ponytail. And then again flip it from the top down, around, and then tie it. Now again from the right hand side take a bigger portion, a smaller portion from the left hand side, and then tie it together with a tiny elastic and flip it to inside, so from up down. Bigger portion from the left, smaller portion from the right, and then tie together with the elastic and flip it. Now I'm just pulling gently the edges to give more volume to the whole style. And then I do another time from the right hand side some hair and combine it with a slightly smaller strand from the left, flip it over, tie it, and then make it a bit bigger. And I think this is the last time from the left to the right. Here I also flip it again. You always flip, and just the first one is in the middle. Now I take the rest and I wrap it around my finger, and then when I have it hidden under the rest of the style, you see, just wrap it around the finger, turn it, and then hide it under the other hair and pin it in place with just some bobby pins. Here you see I stick the bobby pins. If there are any hairs that are annoying you or they stick out and you don't want them, just bring them into the pin. And then I'd like to take out the front portion, use some hairspray to avoid flyaways. And there was another strand that sticked out, so I just, you see, take a pin, wrap the ends around, turn it a bit, and just pin it into the other hair, and you won't see it anymore. This is the final result. I think it looks very pretty because it has a lot of movement, the hair is out of the way, and it stays in perfectly because of the elastic, and it does not hurt. Hope to see you back soon. Bye bye, thanks for watching.